So let us see what do we have here for you guys in this channel naman. So please just take only what resonates, okay? And thank you so much, Archangel Michael, guardian angels of collective and even their ancestors. Can we get the reading for this afternoon para sa aking mga viewers, for my collective people? Yeah, ang bilis, no? Nahagip na natin agad-agad na wala na ritong patumpik-tumpik pa boom karakaraka. Let us see. Oh, grabe naman yun. Oh, we have here two aces, the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Wands. But ano ba yan, Miss Yan? Yeah, exactly. The Empress right at the center of the reading. Right next ng Empress ay ang Ten of Cups. Okay? Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, the Eight of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Ba't ano ba yan, Miss Yan? Ayan na, hindi naman sa wala siyang kinatatakutan, no? Pero, ngayon lang siya nakaramdam ng takot sa life niya. Ayan na, ulitin ko lang ha, hindi sa wala siyang kinatatakutan na. May mga bagay rin siya kinatatakutan. And of course, this person here also, no, may takot siya dito kay God, of course. Pero ang tinutukoy dito with this strength card energy and the Knight of Coins, no, ngayon lang siya natakot sa life niya dito, 'no. I do pick up na ikaw ito na dumating ka na sa buhay niya rito, 'no, or kung hindi ka pa dumadating sa buhay niya, okey, nakikita ko rito na itong person na 'to once na dumating ka na, pero yung iba dumating na kayo sa life niya, nagsimula na siyang matakot rito na mawala ang isang katulad mo sa kanya. So ngayon parang nagpa-panic siya, 'no, na dapat parang paano ka pa ba niya rito aalagaan pa more, paano ka ba niya rito ipaparamdam pa more sa'yo na love ka niya sobra, 'no, and hindi lang yun, gusto niya pa rito, 'no, na alagaan ang sarili niya, ang health niya, 'no, para mabuhay siya ng para mas makasama ka pa ng matagal, Uy, wala naman siyang sakit, kaya linawin natin yun, Pero, ngayon lang siya parang nakaramdam na ang sarap palang mabuhay, ang sarap pala na may person sa tabi mo na talagang alam mo yun, gusto mo na ito na yung live your life to the fullest, 'no, na parang ngayon niya lang na-experience or natikman yung ganitong klase ng feeling, 'no, na parang ito pala yung feeling ng love, ang sarap pala sa feeling ng tunay na love, yun 'no. So, doesn't have to be that this person is NBSB or no boyfriend since birth or no girlfriend since birth, hindi naman sa gano'n 'no, pero parang ngayon niya lang na-experience yung right love with the right person. Yun, 'di ba? Or ngayon niya lang na-experience yung tunay na feeling ng in love na ito pala yun, 'no. This is the type of feeling na masasabi niya sa sarili niya, ikaw na talaga yung gusto niya ritong pakasalan at makasama habang buhay. Lahat tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, 'no, na ikaw na talaga, na ito na talaga yung bigay ni universe or ni God sa akin. Ikaw daw yun. Oh! See? This person here ay claiming you and kapag dumating ka na or pumasok ka na sa buhay niya, ba't sinasabi mo yun minsan, hindi ba siya yung darating sa buhay ko at ako yung darating sa buhay yeah, in this destiny, ikaw yung darating sa buhay niya. Okay, kasi yung mga na-pick up ko dito, though you want love, you are not chasing love. But this person here ay gusto rito 'no, na meron talagang dumating dito sa life niya. Gusto niya talaga rito na may someone na dumating rito sa life niya 'no. And sa inyong dalawa, because you are not chasing love, etong person na 'to ay hindi naman talaga as in chasing love 'no, pero etong person na 'to 'no, ay may energy rito ng siya yung naghihintay talaga, more na naghihintay talaga ng love 'no, kumpara sa'yo, 'yan. So, ibig sabihin kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, waiting siya for someone like you. So, though you want love din, this person here ay more waiting sa'yo, 'yan. So, kung naghihintay ka, mas waiting siya. Ganun ba yung Miss yan? Oo. So, I do see that whoever this energy is, I do pick up that this person right in here na parang yung ganyang klase ng parang, paghihintay niya matatapos, tapos just by seeing at you, just by looking at you 'no, biglang magbabago rito 'no, yung, tingin niya sa mundo, bigla siyang gaganahan gumising at bumangon sa umaga, mas mai-inspire 'no, mas mamo-motivate dito 'no. Tignan mo, yun oh. Alam mo dati, kung ano lang yung kakainin diyan keri bumbum na, 'di ba? Pero ngayon gusto niya ng kumain ng maraming gulay, gusto niya ng kumain ng mga nutritious, healthy foods, 'no? Drinking dito ng puwedeng kahit na ano na lang before, puwedeng mga soft drinks, ganyan, 'no? Pero ngayon tsaa, yung mga healthy na mga inumin na with ano na yan, herbals. At kung dati hindi siya nag-eehersisyo or hindi siya nag-e-exercise, eto na yun, 'yan. Doesn't have to be that this person ay going into gym, but maybe. Pero yung iba puwedeng exercising lang sinasabayan ang YouTube, 'di ba? O kaya naman, puwede ring siya ito 'no, na biking, cycling, mga ganyan, 'di ba? So, I do see na kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, taking care ang kanyang sarili dito at aalagaan niya 'yan 'no. Aalagaan niya yung sarili niya para mas makasama ka pa ng mas mahaba. Totoo yun, ang pagkain ng tamang mga pagkain at ang pag-ehersisyo at ang pag-inom ng tama na water or mga supplements 'no, to have longer life and to have a healthy body, not just skin. This person here ginagawa niya ito para mas maibigay sa sarili niya rito yung long life para mas makasama ka pa. And of course, this person here will also take care of you. I do see that this person here ay willing na pagsilbihan ka dito. I do see that this person right here, nakikita ko na gusto ka niyang alagaan dito and this is something here na gagawin niya, no? Action speaks louder than words ang kanyang body language. Ooh. So, bago natin pag-usapan ito more, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers to Training Instant Buyers Kapuyaters. Thank you so much. At kung di niyo pa member po tayong main channel, ang The High Priestess. Link down below lang sa ating description box. If interesado, i-click lang yan mga mahal na para makarating kayo there. Everyday nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. And, okay, please just take only what resonates. You can also switch roles if you want because that is also possible to happen because this is general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will with you. Like, free mo yung gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, ayun na nga, Mars. Sino man 'tong energy na 'to, 'no, ngayon lang siya natakot sa life niya rito, 'no, na mawala ang isang katulad mo, 'no. Ito yung feeling na nahanap mo na yung right person, tapos yung feeling na puwede mo ritong i isugal lahat, 'di ba? Wag lang mawala yung person na sa life mo, yung parang, "Sige, kunin mo na lang 'tong nanay ko, basta wag lang." Grabe ka ever, yung parang kahit na ano 'no, puwede niya rito na na isugal, 'di ba? Grabe naman yung nanay Miss yan, 'no, yan grabe naman emer lang, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin nun 'no, kahit ano, 'wag lang kayong mawala dito sa buhay niya, okey? And this person here cannot explain it to the extent na bakit niya kayo rito minahal. This is something here na naramdaman niya na lang, walang rason. Basta alam niya lang sa sarili niya mahal ka niya. Alam niya lang sa sarili niya ikaw ng the one. But, 'no, that is when love ay nagiging mysterious, right? When you do not know why you love that person and then you're just feeling it, 'di ba? It's like consuming your energy 'no, na alam mo lang sa sarili mo na mahal mo siya, that's it, 'no, pero you do not know why, you just felt it, 'no? And it's so lakas, it's so strong, it's so intense, 'no, that even you can't explain why. So, yun yung pinapakita niya sa'kin dito 'no, that's why this person here is seeing you as the Empress, wala tayong gender dito, doesn't have to be the Empress, pambabae lang yun Miss yan, out na ako kasi lalaki ako. Hoy! Wala tayong gender dito. Ibig sabihin, whoever this energy is connecting sa'yo, nakikita ka niya bilang you the one, 'di ba? Nakikita ka niya rito 'no, that you are the one, that you are someone na hindi puwedeng maikumpara sa iba, that you are someone here more than pa sa kahit na sino. Okay, that you are very different from other girls, other women, other boys, other men out there, no? You are just someone na hindi puwede ditong matumbasan or mahigitan ng iba, Okay? So I do see that this person here sees you as someone mature, someone here na alam niya rito, no, na magdudulot ng positive sa life niya, na magtuturo ng marami ritong mga learnings, no, sa kanya, no. I do see that this person here sees you as someone very loving, very caring, no, that you are someone here na alam niya na malaking magiging inspirasyon sa life niya. Okay, so this person here sees you as the one for him or her and wala siya ditong gustong iba na maging person niya rito, no, na makasama rito, no, forever and ever. So we have here this 10 of wands. I do see that this person right in here, na mukhang inaayos niya rito yung mga problems niya, yung mga parang mga feeling niya rito, mga problems niya, like let's say pwede may kinalaman sa money or whatsoever, na inaayos niya 'no, kasi, para hindi dito makagulo sa inyo or inaasikaso niya. It doesn't have to be na siya ay part ng, court cases or whatever, okey. Kasi dito nakita ko may mga malalaking problema lang siya inaayos dito 'no, pero inaayos niya na 'yan para makapag-focus na siya rito sa'yo, yung nakikita ko rito. Everybody meron namang mga problema, lahat ng mga tao 'no. And siya may mga dini-deal din. May mga problemang maliliit, may mga problemang malalaki. So, sa kanya inuuna niya na ito 'no, kasi gusto niya na rito mag-focus sa'yo. I do see that with this person here, Wheel of Fortune, this person here will see you right off the bat as a blessing from above. Okay, agad-agad. Kasi parang ang tagal niya rito 'no, na parang actually dumating na nga sa point na inisip niya rito wala na atang taong para sa kanya, eh, okey? Pero darating ka sa buhay niya. And kapag dumating ka sa buhay niya, that instant moment, boom! Even 1 second, 2 seconds, this person here, he will notice you right off the bat and can tell to himself or herself that you are the one. See, look at that, diba? So, ever this energy is this person here ay someone dito, no, na hindi ko nakikita nagpe-play ng games, hindi rin siya rito player. This person also someone who can give you the right amount of love, and not just that, this person here is also very good with money. So I do see that this person has a stable, what's this? Stable finances, stable career, stable job. Okay. This person has this financial stability that can also support you, even though you can support yourself. This person here ay maaaring meron kayo nitong age difference, but doesn't have to be that it's too uh, what's this? Hindi siya masyadong malaki ang agwat ninyo sa age 'no, pero may age difference dito, I'm seeing that. And yeah, that might be clue for someone watching. So I do see that this person here, after seeing you, he or she can stop thinking about you. That's why kahit na first time ka pa lang niya makita, this person will find you know, will definitely track you kung sino yung parang nakita niya rito na kinausap ka, no, this person will talk to that person, ask who you are, and if he or she can be able to get your number or contact details, then gagawin niya yon. I do see him or her doing agad-agad na actions 'no, para makilala ka pa more. Oh, see? Yung iba doesn't have to be na ma-meet mo siya in person, but once this person here connects to you, he or she will definitely do anything to connect to you. Okay, whatever that means. Okay. So with this King of Cups, this person here ay operating from the place of love. Baka naman miss yan dahil burst of emotions and feelings lang yan. Bigla lang rin yan mag-die down. Uy, hindi I do see that with this Nine of Cups and there's this presence of Empress as center ng reading and the Wheel of Fortune. Actually, you're meant to cross paths with this person. This person here I meant for you and you are meant for this person here. So I do see that these two new beginnings ay excuse me, is a double confirmation that you guys are really the one for each other because you are meant to build a family. Okay? LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. This person will be your companion for life, will not leave you, will accept you for who you are, and will not betray you no matter ano mangyari, okay? For my LGBTQs, na mga sweethearts diyan, lalo na yung mga bini-trade ng kanila ritong ex-lovers or ex-partners, no, you deserve this, guys. This person ay coming in for you, okay? And yes, with the Nine of Cups, no, everybody, this is your wish fulfillment, and this person here, you do not know how happy he or she will be after meeting you. Okay? It looks like this person here, okay na kahit wala ng gift si Santa sa kanya every year. Kasi nasa buhay ka na niya. Oh, ote, diba? So, yeah. Initials, they have here capital letter L, capital letter M, capital letter T, capital letter B as in boy, capital letter E, capital letter J, capital, someone's name could be EJ, just take one of their trust names or nickname, initials, okay? Capital letter K and capital letter N. For small letters, we have G, T, N, S, O, I, A, L, and last but not the least, W. So, ito yung mga mensahe right here for ya, guys. Again, I'm Rihanna, only for the girls and yana, do not for the boys. Sarang, hey, love and light, Annyeong.